I have HUAWEI P30 Pro, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first we have to open the phone dialer, and now we will start with the first code, which will enable us to open project menu. So at first you have to tap on *pound 284 657 9 ###. And now we are in project menu, so as you can see here, you can check background settings, winner information, network information query, software upgrade, restore factory, so you can perform a hard reset here, and also you can check the battery charge. So let's go back. You can perform various operations here. Then we've got the second code, which will show us some additional information about this particular device, about this particular HUAWEI P30 Pro. So it's *pound 000 ###. And now, as you can see, are the information about your device, so the model, build number, hardware version, SIM, and also email numbers. So let's go back. So here you've just had the quick access to all information, all essential information about your HUAWEI. And then let's go to the third code, which is *pound 06 #. And now it's the email number, so you can quickly see what your email number is by using this super code. Tap on OK to go back. And now let's open all the calendar info, which is *pound 225 ###. And as you can see here, you will have all the info from calendars about your events from Google Calendar, from your device's calendar, and also all the events, all holidays from the country that you are currently staying in. And let's go back to the last code, which is *pound 426 ###. And now we are in a Google Play services, so you can check ping, connect, disconnect, events, and also status. So it's also a very useful one. You can check several information here, and it's from Google. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.